Welcome to Modern Pulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated muscle cars of the future, the 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. The iconic Cuda is making its return with a modern twist while staying true to its legendary heritage. Let's get into what makes this reborn beast so special. The 2025 Hemi Cuda carries forward the aggressive styling that made the original a classic but with modern upgrades. You'll notice the bold stance, wide body, and unmistakable front grille that screams power. Plymouth has perfectly blended retro design cues with cutting-edge technology to appeal to both the classic muscle car lovers and the new generation of enthusiasts. Under the hood is where the magic happens. The 2025 Hemi Cuda comes equipped with a 6.4-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine pushing over 750 horsepower. This monster engine provides insane acceleration and torque, making it a true force on the road. Plymouth also offers a hybrid option, combining electric power with the roaring V8 to enhance performance and efficiency. This is where classic meets future. Inside the Cuda, you'll find a fully modernized interior with premium materials, state-of-the-art tech, and a driver-focused cockpit. The digital dashboard and infotainment system are sleek and customizable, giving you all the control and information you need at your fingertips. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, perfect for both high-speed thrills and everyday cruising. But the Hemi Cuda isn't just about straight-line speed. With advanced suspension and handling upgrades, this muscle car can tackle corners like never before. Paired with multiple driving modes, it allows you to tune the car's performance to match your style, whether you're at the track or on the street. The 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda represents a bold step into the future while paying homage to its legendary past. Are you ready for the next evolution of American muscle? Thanks for watching Modern Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.